Hi, this is the Galaxy S24 Plus and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's open the panel, and if you wanna here add new options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to the edit icon, tap to edit near the full section, and to add new options to your panel you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. Hold and drag it. To remove icons from the panel, just click on each of these minuses. And to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, tap to reset button. To save the changes, just tap to go back. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.